Lenovo's ThinkSystem DS series storage delivers easy-to-use, affordable, SAN-attached storage and provides breakthrough SAN performance and scale at best-in-class pricing. Today, we'll take a closer look at the DS series management interface, and in particular, we'll highlight the capability to perform real-time tiering. Now, most hybrid arrays will support tiering of hot and cold data. That is to say, they will analyze pages of data, typically over a 24-hour period, and then move the frequently accessed pages to SSD and demote the less frequently accessed pages to spinning disk. However, most arrays do that on a 24-hour basis. That is to say, they look at the page accesses for 24 hours, and then they tier data today based on access patterns yesterday. Those access patterns from yesterday may or may not still be current. The DS series is unique among its competitors in being able to do that tiering in real time. So we will actually move pages every 5 seconds at a controlled rate based on access patterns. Here, again, we can see the home screen of the DS series storage management console, and as we've seen in previous videos, in Pool A, we have just spinning drives in the green. In Pool B, we have some spinning drives and some SSDs, the SSDs being shown here in red. Another indicator we have down here at the bottom is an indicator showing IOPS of the workload that is actually being run against storage pool A. And because that's green, it's indicating that all of those IOs are being serviced out of the spinning disk in pool A, which of course is the only type of disk that is in that pool. If I look at where that workload is being driven from, I can see it's from this iometer right here that is showing me about 480, 500 some odd IOs per second with an average response time of 7.8 milliseconds. So in order to see real-time tiering, let's again go to our pool screen and add into pool A a second disk group composed of 2 SSDs. We'll select the 2 SSDs, click Add, and those will be added into Pool A. As soon as they've been added into Pool A, the real-time tiering process will start. And here we are approximately 12 to 13 minutes later. You can see now that that IOPS indicator is completely red, showing level of performance around 17,000 IOPS, and if we go back to the iometer screen, we can see in fact that we're now at 18,000 IOs per second after starting at 500, and our IO response time has dropped to 0.2 milliseconds from where it started. One other thing to point out is that this particular iometer workload is 100% random writes, which of course is the most strenuous type of workload that we can place on the DS series. And the particular level here, 16 to 18,000, is representative only of the way I've got this iometer run set up, not of the overall performance level and capability of the DS series, which is several 100,000 IOPS depending on the model and the configuration.